72-hour weight loss 3-day diet menu. The 3-day diet menu is quite simple. Each day, you pick a breakfast, lunch, and dinner from this list. Besides the foods on this list, you can have salt, pepper, vinegar, lemon, herbs, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, mustard and catsup. The 3-day diet menu is designed to give you about 900 calories a day. On the 3-day diet menu, it is very important to eat your grapefruit or drink your grapefruit juice at every meal. Additionally, you must drink at least 32 ounces of water each day. Breakfast number 1: coffee or tea, sugar substitute okay, 1/2 grapefruit or 4 ounces. Grapefruit juice, 1 piece of dry toast topped with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Breakfast number 2: coffee or tea, sugar substitute okay, 1/2 grapefruit or 4 ounces. Grapefruit juice, 1 egg, 1 piece of dry toast, 1/2 banana. Breakfast number 3: coffee or tea, sugar substitute okay, 1/2 grapefruit or 4 ounces. Grapefruit juice, 5 saltine crackers, 1 ounce, cheese, 1 apple. Lunch on the 3-day diet menu also has about 200 calories a day. Lunch number 1: 1/2 cup tuna in spring water, 1 piece of dry toast, coffee or tea, sugar substitute okay, 1/2 grapefruit or 4 ounces. Grapefruit juice. Lunch number 2: 1 cup cottage cheese, 8 saltine crackers, coffee or tea, sugar substitute okay, 1/2 grapefruit or 4 ounces. Grapefruit juice. Lunch number 3: 1 boiled egg, 1 slice dry toast, coffee or tea, sugar substitute okay, 1/2 grapefruit or 4 ounces. Grapefruit juice. Dinner on the 3-day diet menu has about 350 calories and bulks up the meal with 2 cups of vegetables. You also get a sweet treat in the form of vanilla ice cream. Dinner number 1: 3 ounces of lean meat, 1 cup of green beans, 1 cup of carrots, 1 apple, 1 cup of vanilla ice cream, coffee or tea, sugar substitute okay, 1/2 grapefruit or 4 ounces. Grapefruit juice. Dinner number 2: 2 franks, 1 cup of cabbage, 1/2 cup of carrots, 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup of vanilla ice cream, coffee or tea, sugar substitute okay, 1/2 grapefruit or 4 ounces. Grapefruit juice. Dinner number 3: 1 cup each of tuna in spring water, carrots, cauliflower, melon, 1/2 cup of vanilla ice cream, coffee or tea, sugar substitute okay, 1/2 grapefruit or 4 ounces. Grapefruit juice. Grapefruit has no scientifically based fat-reducing properties and does not magically speed up your metabolism. Eaten whole, rather than juiced, 1/2 of the fruit provides 6 grams of fiber. But then, oranges provide 7 grams of fiber. The 3-day diet menus do provide a healthy, balanced meal plan, but it has only about 900 calories. So, will you lose weight if you stick to the diet? Yes. You will probably lose between 3 and 6 pounds. Some people claim to have lost 10 pounds. This can be a real turn-on for people who need to lose a dress size in a short amount of time, particularly if a big event is looming. But, the 3-day diet menu does not provide a lasting solution to weight loss. Please, subscribe to my channel.